Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video. Bertoni here. Hope you guys are great, good and fine. And today I'm going to try to show you how to achieve a dark mood image using Darktable. Okay, so let's get into it. I chose this photo right here. Also from my Xiaomi, my Leica lens, the only Leica lens that I have. Yeah, I need to try with the Sony files. I have a Sony, but for now, let's keep here just to make things easier and faster. Okay, so let's go. This photo, I took it overexposure, so we have a little bit of grounds to unbright it. Okay, so we have to understand what actually you mean by dark mood, because every person has a taste. Okay, for me, I like dark moods to be dark, like pretty dark. Okay, so I'll keep more or less like here. Okay, keep in mind that I'm editing it on daylight, so the colors look different at night sometimes. Okay, lens correction, I don't think it's necessary. Also the noise, I don't think it's necessary as well. So what you're going to do here, it's let's add a little bit of contrast, and you can see that just correcting the exposure and bring some contrast, we already have some more aggressive, if you can say like that, aggressive lines on the photo. But the problem is when I add details to the local contrast, all the photo get those details. Okay, so what I'm actually going to try here, it's, let me try here. So, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to use a mask here, okay, to select the car and give it a little bit of contrast. Let's see if it goes better or not. Okay, so you're going to increase here the contrast. And let's adjust here the difference. Okay, not too much, too much. Let's move a little bit here. Yeah, it's not Lightroom to select masks or luminar, but it's usable. Okay, so this is what we have right now, just by adding contrast to the image. Okay, so we have it now. What we're going to do now, we can add some sigmoid to make it more uniform. In the master, we can change the hue value. Okay, the blue always get a little bit different in dark moods photos. Also the sidewalks and stuff. In this case, let's try to use the color equalize, okay, to change a little bit. Let me. Okay, it was like this, right? Let's new instance. Let's select the sky. Okay, let's pick it up here and yes, in here let's a little bit down the brightness. Let's a little bit darker. New instance, select here this color over here. Okay, so let me first remove or car from the equations. Okay, but there is a problem here with the mask. Okay, so okay, let me. Okay, now we have it more or less done. Give it a different color, different vibes. Now, at least for me, what we actually need here is some vignetting. Oh. Not saturated, not. Okay, let me try to make it, yes. Saturation, but brightness. Let's. Okay. Yep. Can remove it a little bit here. Okay. But the shape is. Okay. Here. Like this, I think. Too much, right? Too much. Okay, so what we're going to do now is exposure. Let's go here. What is the exposure? New instance. Let's select the mask here, the one that we already have. Local contrast, yes. And let's push a little bit. We can do the black level correction here. Not too much, not too much. We have to find the sweet spot over here. Now we have this thing over here. Yes. Okay. It's a little bit red here, isn't it? Let me equalize it. It's the 3. Yes, it's the 3. Number 3. Let me. This one here will remove the red from here, more or less. Not quite. Yes, less red. So I think this is a pretty good outcome, but I think it needs some let me see here. Let me come to color balance again, and let me open a new instance. Let's remove once more our mask. You see that we are using masks a lot here, right? And let's bring yes. Now we're talking about not too much. No, it's too much. Like this, I think we gave some color here on the streets. I just need oh, too much. Move a little bit the brilliance. No, maybe leave the brilliance as it is and push some shadows and mid-tones. But then I would have to in this one here no. Too much. Mid-tones. Something here between, because otherwise we'll be yeah, I know the color of the sky is fake, of course, but I don't want it too fake. This red here though, it's annoying me. But I made it too messy mask, so I cannot find the right nodes to move here. So I will leave like this just for the sake of the size of the video. Okay, this is a before and after. What do you guys think? I think these right highlights here are pretty beautiful. I think this here turns out more dark mood than this one. Let me try to do something here real quick. We have profile denoise, and it's turns out pretty good. So now we're talking about. So we add some denoise to the story. Okay, so we have this one here. Okay, this is where we start. This is where we are right now. We're finished. Okay, we start here, and now we are here. Okay, it also, of course, has some minor bugs. It's not perfect, but it's not bad at all. For me, it turns out really great. The only thing that I wanted to do here, I think we can do here. We can add some more blur in the background image, so the image. One thing there is I think it's missing here, apart for the denoise, it's the brightness of this part right here. Let me try to add a new instance. Okay. And bring a little bit more of shadows. Less detail. And less shadows. Yes. No. Too much detail. Highlights here. Yes, mid-tone rage. About here. And if we select the local contrast, ooh, here. Yes, I think this. Oh, this thing over there. This thing over there. Let me try to move. Yes. Yes. Done. And I think that this is it. This is where we start. This is where we finish. And I think this is more or less some dark moods. At least for in my vision of dark mood. Okay. We can here enhance the other thing here. It's very good to enhance. If you like to, can duplicate a new instance, select the reds. Okay, you can put the saturation of the heads, reds of the heads of the reds, up the brightness, up, not too much, not too much. In the hue, oh, too cyberpunk, too much. Now, yeah, I think here is perfect, just like it is. The reds and yellow give some nice pop out details, and you can clearly see that the main focus is the yellow one here. Okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this outcome. Maybe let me just sharpen a little bit. Okay, so let me try something here real quick. Here on this part here, close to the car. Okay, maybe let me just try it out. Just try it out. New instance, and select here the sharpen mask, overexpose the details, over highlights, shadows. Yes, I think like this is perfect. I just gave it a little bit of detail here to give some more realistic vibe. And this is our final image. Oh, let's move a little bit. Yes, this is where we start and this is where we finish at. I think it's pretty good. Pretty good. Yes. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any questions, if I am able to answer that and try to help, here I am. So thank you guys so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.